One of my best childhood memories was road tripping across the country. Why? Because of the experiences, bonding with my family, and getting to see the sights that some people only see in postcards. If you are ready to show your family the postcards in person and live this dream of luxury, I'd like to introduce you to the Montana High Country 389BH. If you're looking to make memories on the road with your family and need an RV that has great storage, defined sleeping space, and assured quality to keep your family on the road and focused on fun, Montana is the brand that you've been waiting for. We have the highest standard when it comes to the little things because the little things are the big things. With the best owners group in the industry, you not only get to create memories with the family you started with, but you also get a newfound family and friends that last a lifetime. Unlike many floor plans on the market, you can sleep 7+ people and have enough storage space for each person. We've maximized every square inch of space to make this room as functional as possible. It's complete with 3 bunks, a pull-out couch, and a private half bath with a separate entrance from the outside. After a long day of exploring, you can come back to your home on wheels and continue the family bonding with a home-cooked meal in your luxury kitchen. The storage theme continues in the kitchen, complete with a large pantry, tons of cabinetry, a large island with great prep space, residential-sized appliances, and a built-in coffee bar. After dinner, the kids can cuddle up on the theater seats and watch a movie while you're retired to the massive main suite upstairs. The storage continues upstairs with the wardrobe in the bathroom that is complete with washer-dryer prep. In the bedroom, there's a dresser across from the bed and built-in storage in front of the coach. The front window lets plenty of light in and allows you to enjoy the scenery and relax after a day with your family. The Montana High Country 389BH is just over 40 feet long and just under 14,000 pounds. This floor plan was born out of love for family and valuing the time together. Your kids can have a road trip that is forever engraved in their minds, so they can one day relive it with their kids. It's your chance to shut out the noise, take the trip of a lifetime, enjoy life, and camp better. The only thing stopping you was the perfect floor plan built to safely take you on those adventures, and we've created it in the Montana High Country 389BH. Visit our website to learn more about the floor plan and begin making lasting memories. The original, the gold standard, always Montana.